Scientists have spotted a star swallowing an entire planet in one big gulp. Once a star runs out of fuel, it will grow to 1,000,000 times its original size, swallowing up any matter around it, including planets. Scientists have observed hints of stars just before and shortly after the act of engulfing entire planets, but they have just caught one in the act. The cosmic feast appears to have taken place in our own galaxy, some 12,000 light-years away, near the eagle-like constellation Aquila. An outburst from a star became more than 100 times brighter over just 10 days before quickly fading away. Curiously, this white-hot flash was followed by a cold, long-lasting signal. Researchers deduced that this combination could only have been produced by one event, a star engulfing a nearby planet. The perished planet was most likely a large, hot, Jupiter-sized world that came too close to the dying star and was gradually pulled into its atmosphere and eventually into its core. Many astronomers believe Earth will suffer a similar fate. Like all stars, our Sun is a giant nuclear reactor made up of hydrogen and helium gas. To produce light, it converts hydrogen into helium through fusion reactions, and that energy pushes back against the crushing weight of its outer layers. Once the Sun has converted all of its hydrogen into helium, it will cease to produce enough energy to oppose gravity. This will cause the core to shrink, leading to increased temperature and the fusion of helium into carbon. Hydrogen fusion will then shift to the outer layers, resulting in the Sun swelling up and becoming a red giant as its core continues to contract. The outer layers will engulf the nearest planets, including Earth, which will plunge into the core and be vaporized, triggering an outburst of energy and matter. The Sun will continue to burn for a few more billion years before it ultimately cools into a black dwarf star. Humans likely won't be around for this event, as our growing Sun will probably fry Earth first, making it inhospitable for life.